1 over 5 to the second power. The answer to 2. Okay, it should be 1 over negative 7 to the first power. Three. 1 over t to the 10th power. And then 4. 1 over n to the second power. Okay, we look at 5. Three to the negative 4th power. 6. X to the negative 2nd power. 7. Remember, we have to rewrite that as 1 over 7 squared. We'll move that up top. It becomes 7 to the negative 2nd. And then 8. Should be 2 to the negative 3rd power. Remember, that's 1 over 2 to the 3rd. Not 2 to the 4th. Okay, 9. What did you get? Okay, what are we supposed to do here? We're supposed to add the exponents. So this is 4 plus negative 2. So if you get a calculator, you put that in. 4 plus negative 2. If you don't have a calculator, you have to remember all those rules we've been doing. The second number, the 2, has 2 signs. Plus and minus can be rewritten as minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that should be h to the 2nd power. The next one, we're multiplying, so we should add. So this is negative 6 plus negative 1. That is negative 7. The next one, we're dividing, so we keep the base the same and we subtract the exponents. It's always the numerator minus the denominator. So that would give me r to the 1st power. And the last one again is division, so we subtract. Keep the base the same, and it's going to be the numerator minus the denominator. That should be s to the negative 5th power.
Yes.
1 over 4 to the 1st, or you could just write that as 1 over 4. Either one of those is fine. What about on 17? Okay, it should be 1 over negative 3 to the 3rd power. Remember, only the exponent changes its sign. The number out front doesn't change its sign. Huh?
Oh, 17. I thought you were talking about 8.
No, I did 17.
I got it right.
18 is 1 over 3 to the 5th power. Okay, here's our first little curveball here. What about 24? No. What is raised to the negative 5th power? The s. So what can I move? The s. So to the bottom, I will move s, and it will become to the 5th power. But up top, I still have that 2. You can't move the 2. The 2's not raised to a negative exponent. Only the s is. So it's 2 over s to the 5th. That's the first one of those we've seen. So if you missed that, that's okay. Okay, what about 27? 5 to the negative 5th. 28. B to the negative 3rd. 31. Okay, you could get 9 to the negative 2nd. Did somebody get something different? That's fine. That's completely right. That could also be 3 to the negative 4th. Did somebody get that? That would also work. 81 can be written as 3 to the 4th. Okay? 35. What did we get? G raised to the negative 2nd power. 36. 6 m to the power 5. Don't lose the m. Right, the 3 times the 2, you just multiply those like regular old numbers. 37. 15v to the negative 5th power. Okay, 39. K to the negative 1st power. 40. 6 times b raised to the 2nd power. 36 divided by 6 is 6. B to the 5th divided by b to the 3rd is b to the 2nd. And then 41. 9c to the negative 4th power, or the power of negative 4. Any questions there? Everybody feel good? Okay, Khan Academy.